Hello everyone, welcome back to another session. Today we'll be learning about Looker Studio. Looker Studio is a product from Google. So this is again another data visualization tool like Power BI, Tableau, Spotfire, Amazon QuickSight, and there are many more tools available in the market. And this is a product from Google. And a lot of people nowadays are looking for Looker Studio trainings and the learnings and all. I've seen many people like working on uh, Looker Studio projects and all. Myself, like I was working on recently a Looker Studio project, and I have delivered around 3 to 4 projects till now, big projects basically. So that's the time like I thought, okay, let me just create few introductions, few training videos so that you people can also learn Looker Studio. If you know and if you have worked on Power BI, Tableau, Spotfire, ClickSense and all, MicroStrategy, there are tons of technologies in the market. So if you have worked on any of these technologies, it will be easy for you to learn Looker Studio. If not, then then also you can learn it, because the kind of technologies, the kind of interface these tools are using, they are so easy that you can easily understand, you can easily grasp the things quickly. And that's what we will be doing in our sessions. So Looker Studio, it's a data visualization tool. Let's understand what is Looker Studio and how it will help us. So Looker Studio is a self-service business intelligence tool and with unmatched flexibility for smarter business decisions. These are the things which we have been hearing or reading for many years. So Looker Studio is another same kind of technologies which will get the data from any of the sources, like whatever data sources you are using. You have Google Sheets, you have Google Analytics and all that, anything, whatever you have, whichever databases you have and all. So Looker Studio will get the data from there. You can create your charts, visualizations with interactive charts and visualizations, prompts, parameters, data blending and all that stuff. And you can do all this thing for your business and help your business owners to take better decisions than before. See, you are working on reports, dashboards and all that. You might be using Excel or some other technical legacy tools, which might be taking a lot of time to bring up the insights. In today's world, when everyone is ready, when everyone doesn't have much time to look for the reports and all that, and so in that kind of scenario, you can help your business to take better decisions quickly. That is the most important thing here. You have to bring up things very quickly. So if you can do the things very quickly, you will be ahead from others. So it's a self-service business intelligence tool, and Looker was created by Google in 2016. Earlier it used to be called as Data Studio, but nowadays it is called as Looker Studio. Okay, that's what we'll be looking at. It's a data visualization tool which helps us to create data visualization reports and dashboards. Why do we say that it is a data visualization tool? Because it helps us to visualize the data. We all are working on different data projects. Okay, we have been like getting data, a lot of different types of data, high volume of data and all that stuff, structured, non-structured data, semi-structured data, all these kind of things. So if we want to understand that what all is happening in the data, then we have to visualize the things, we have to visualize the data. And these kind of technologies will help us to bring up and to understand the insights, the patterns, what all is hiding in your data. So you want to bring that hidden information for your users. So these kind of tools will help you do that, and Looker Studio is one of them. It helps us business to take better decisions, data driven decisions. The main important thing is data driven decisions. It's not something like, okay, on my hunch I will take some decision. No, it's not like that. You analyze the data, visualize the data, and then the data will tell you that what you should do, what you shouldn't do. And that is called data driven decisions, and bring valuable insights on the table. That is what you are doing for your business. And as I told you, that Looker Studio is like very user friendly interface. It is having very easy user interface, and you can create dashboards and share them across the organizations very easily. Benefits of Looker Studio, that's a thing like tag impactful stories by creating, sharing engaging reports and data visualizations. Yeah, that's an important thing. Impactful stories means the insights, the patterns, the information which you want to bring out from the data, which you are trying to bring out from your data. That is what you will be doing it from Looker Studio. Unite your data by easily connecting to more than 800 data sources. Yes, this is the kind of strength Looker Studio is having. So you can connect to 100 plus data sources, and you can get your insights into your reports and dashboards. You want to use Google Sheets, you want to use Google Analytics, you want to use YouTube metrics, you want to use like your marketing analytics data, all that, and then you want to work with like SQL database, Amazon Redshift, and anything, Snowflake, Salesforce, whatever you have, you can connect to that. Transform your data into impactful business matrices and dimensions with intuitive and smart reports. That's what like we'll be using matrix and dimensions, which is nothing but dimensions and measures in other technology and other terms. So it will be same here and there, small differences will be there. That's all, you can easily grasp the things. That's why I'm telling you that it will be very easy for you to work on it if you are learning Google Looker Studio. Empower your teams with key business matrices by sharing automated reports. Yes, or you can automate them, you can schedule them, all that you can do so that users can get, your team members can get the automated reports by themselves. Okay, that is how you can automate that. Then you can create meaningful, shareable, customizable charts and graphs with the help of few clicks. That's the best thing about any of these data visualization, the new age data visualization tools, that it helps you to bring up the insights without writing much code. Just drag and drop a few charts like calculations and all that, conditions, yeah, calculations and all that will be there. But it's not that you have to write a big code and all that. There are few things, yes, where you have to go into the coding and all that part. But if you want to work with the basic things and basic to intermediate things, then you can easily do. And these are the key features of Looker Studio: an easy to use web interface, easy to use web interface, report templates. There are existing templates which you can use them as per your requirement, data connectors to different data sources, Looker Studio API, which you can integrate with your existing applications, report embedding, you can embed your reports to your web applications, web portals and all that. And the most important thing is that it is free to use. Unlike other software, yeah, pro versions and all that, you have to pay, but you can start using it without any installations and all that stuff. You can easily use it, and that is free to use. Getting started with the Looker Studio, these are the things which you should do if you are working and you want to learn Looker Studio. So choose a template or a dashboard. So there are existing templates which you can use, or you can create a blank one. That's your choice how you want to start with. Then you can use connecting the data sources. You can connect to your data sources. So you can connect to any databases, any data sources, your CSV file, text files and all that. Then you can use like existing charts, different kind of visualizations, controls and all that, so that you can customize your reports requirement and all. Choose matrices that matter, like you want to use the sales by region, sales by category, sales by product, how much like profit you're making and all that. Once everything is done, you can just share your reports with your users. That will help them to see the insights, the patterns, the kind of KPIs which they are looking at, and you can easily bring up the value on the table. So this is the user interface, which basically you will see once you log into your Looker Studio home. Okay, that is interface. So here on the left hand side you have recent files, shared with me, owned by me, or trash, and then you have many templates which are already available, which you can directly use it. Okay, this is the next slide will help you to see that here these are the templates. Okay, so this way you can see that we have Google Analytics templates, we have BigQuery templates, and many more which I have not captured in the screenshot. Okay, so like this you will have existing templates and you can use them as per your requirement. Connecting to data sources, that's the main thing. Again, getting the data from different data sources. Here you can see the Looker, Google Analytics, Google Ads, Google Sheets, BigQuery, AppSheet, file upload, you can load the CSVs, Amazon Redshift and all, and many hundreds of many more data sources are available. So it means that whatever data source you are using, you can use it. There will be no issue with connecting with your data sources, and you can easily utilize the today's time, like the best capabilities given by Google. So this is something what many of the projects are utilizing. I have covered 3 to 4 projects. I have delivered 3 to big projects, and that is how I tried. I thought, okay, let me share something for you all. Because Power BI, Tableau, Spotify, ClickSense, these are the widely used softwares. But nowadays people are also looking into Looker. So this is just an introduction for you. In the next session, like I'll bring up a real-time practical session where I'll show you how to load data and all, how to create charts and everything. I hope like you might have liked this video. Please do like, share, comment on this video if you want to learn something new. Tell me what more topics you want to cover up, any new technology which you want to learn. If I can, I'll definitely try to create videos on that. Thank you very much. Have a great day.